Hello! Before we get to the meat of this lesson plan, we're going to do a little review. So for this lesson, you need to be able to evaluate a square and a cube root. So and this is something you might, if you don't have it, write this down in your notebook. But if you have the square root, you hit second x squared. And if you have cube root, you have 3 second caret. And I'm going to explain why in this little video. Enjoy.
So just as a refresher, I'm going to show you how to put these in a calculator, and you can just follow along. And then you're going to have to, use these steps to solve your own problem. So for the square root of 45, for the square root button, look, there are 2 of them. One has an X here, and one does not. So if you look over here, this has nothing here. So you are going to use this button. So what you do is now to activate the one above, you have to hit second, and then you hit x squared. So you want to activate the radical symbol here that does not have anything there. And then you just put your number in, which is 45, hit enter, and there you go. So rounded would be rounded to the 10th, 6.7. Okay, now let's clear that. That's square root. Now to do cube root, the cube root of 18. Cube root now, because it has a number there, since it has a 3 there, you got to use the one with the x. So this is a little different. Don't hit second. First of all, you have to tell the calculator what number do you want in place of the x. Well, since we're finding cube root, you got to put a 3 first. Then second, and then this button. So see, it's saying you were telling the calculator put 3 in for x. We want to find the cube root of 18. Hit enter, and your answer is it would round to 2.6. Okay, so those are the 2 functions you need to know.
Okay, so informative, huh? All right. So that's a review. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your next slide and you are going to just practice putting these in a calculator. If you have to round, you can go ahead and round to the nearest tenth or 100. Okay.